At a busy railway crossing in Mumbai, the gates are down and the warning bell is ringing loudly. Traffic has stopped, but one biker decides to take a dangerous risk. Instead of waiting, he slips under the barrier, trying to cross before the train arrives. It's a terrible decision. Just as he reaches the tracks, the Rajdhani Express comes rushing in at full speed. At the very last moment, the biker jumps off his motorcycle. The train crashes straight into the bike, smashing it into pieces in an instant. The motorcycle is completely destroyed, but incredibly, the rider survives and walks away. This is a powerful reminder. No shortcut is worth your life. When the gates are down, stop. Trains don't stop for mistakes. At a railway crossing in the Netherlands, a large truck carrying a full load becomes stuck directly on the tracks. Before the driver can react or escape, a fast-moving train comes roaring toward the crossing. In one brutal impact, the train slices straight through the truck. Metal parts fly everywhere, and the cargo explodes across the tracks like fireworks. The scene is chaotic and terrifying. 5 people are injured, but thankfully, everyone survives. This accident proves an important lesson. Never gamble at railway crossings. Trains cannot stop quickly, but you always can. At a railroad crossing in the United States, an SUV is stuck right in the middle of the tracks. A fast-approaching frontrunner train is closing in. The horn blasts repeatedly and people nearby shout warnings, but the driver can't move the vehicle in time. Seconds later, the train slams directly into the SUV, throwing it violently off the tracks. The impact is massive, with twisted metal scattered everywhere. Miraculously, no one was inside the SUV at the moment of the crash. If your vehicle ever stalls on railway tracks, get out immediately and move far away. Cars can be replaced. Lives cannot. One moment of delay can be the difference between a close call and a fatal disaster. A woman standing near the edge suddenly faints and falls straight under a moving train. People scream, frozen in fear for a moment. It looks like the worst, but when the train finally stops, a miracle, she's still alive, lying safely between the tracks. Rescue teams pull her out and rush her to the hospital, only minor injuries. Never stand close to the platform edge. 1 second can change everything. Crowded platforms and rushing crowds create dangerous situations in seconds. When people push, panic, or stop paying attention to their surroundings, even a small stumble can lead to a serious accident. Staying calm, keeping distance from the edge, and remaining aware of moving trains can prevent irreversible tragedy. A serious accident happens at a railway crossing when a large articulated truck becomes stalled on the tracks. The massive vehicle is completely stuck. Moments later, a powerful train crashes into the trapped truck, causing extreme destruction. The footage captures the dramatic impact and clearly shows how dangerous it is to be stranded on a railway line, especially after warning signals have already activated. The flatbed truck is helpless, stopped directly on the rail line. Suddenly, the train bursts into view, huge, fast, and unstoppable. There is no time left to escape. A violent crash follows as the locomotive smashes into the truck, sweeping it aside like it weighs nothing. The train continues forward, barely slowing down. A heavy cargo truck carrying a massive load is caught completely off guard at the crossing. The freight train approaches like a wall of steel. It slams straight into the trailer, ripping through it with incredible force. The train barely slows, leaving shattered wreckage scattered across the tracks. A train arrives and passengers rush to get down. A woman steps on the ladder thinking it's safe, but the train is still moving slowly and her foot slips. She falls hard, hanging dangerously close to the gap. People scream as she's dragged along the platform. Within seconds, onlookers rush in and pull her away, saving her just in time. Never get off a moving train. Wait for a complete stop. Your life is worth the wait. Trains cannot stop instantly, and drivers may not see people in danger until it is too late. A train moving at speed needs a long distance to slow down, and one wrong step or moment of impatience can turn a small risk into a life-threatening situation. Another crossing, another mistake. Despite clear warnings, a heavy truck becomes stuck on the tracks. In seconds, the train arrives, a powerful force against metal and cargo. The collision is catastrophic. The vehicle is destroyed instantly, while the unstoppable locomotive continues on its path. Ignoring every warning, a moment of reckless thinking turns deadly. Whether it's a bus, a trailer, or a heavy truck, nothing can survive against a train. The freight train hits like a thunderbolt. Metal shatters, debris flies, and the vehicle is tossed aside. The rails demand respect. They stopped, they hesitated, and that single moment sealed their fate. From city buses to long-haul trucks, the railway shows no mercy. The massive train slams into the vehicle, tearing it apart. It's a chilling reminder. Never stop on the tracks. It's a dangerous gamble. Heavy cargo versus unstoppable momentum. Watch as trucks and buses challenge the railway and lose every time. Metal explodes, debris scatters, and the lesson is clear. When a train is coming, nothing can stop it. A small blue car is completely stuck, directly in the path of an oncoming freight train. The locomotive, painted blue and yellow, is closing in fast. Warning lights flash and the whistle screams, but it's already too late. The train strikes the car with a deafening crash, pushing it aside while barely slowing down. A powerful semi-truck is stuck, helpless against the railway line. The warning signals flash urgently, but there is no time left. The massive freight train arrives like judgment. With a crushing impact, the truck is destroyed instantly. It never stood a chance. The driver makes a critical mistake, leaving a large white tractor trailer blocking the rail line. The freight train is already too close to stop. The horn sounds one final warning before the locomotive crashes into the trailer, ripping it apart and filling the air with debris. A small passenger car is stranded on the tracks, completely unable to move. A fast passenger train rushes toward it. Warnings are useless now. The train slams into the lightweight car, throwing it violently away. Physics wins every time. The train always wins. A terrifying moment unfolds as heavy construction machinery becomes stuck on the tracks. Whether it's a truck or industrial equipment, the railway shows no mercy. The freight train barrels through, leaving chaos, smoke, and twisted steel behind. A fully loaded truck is disabled across the tracks. The gates come down, sealing its fate. Moments later, the freight train smashes into the trailer, tearing it apart and scattering debris everywhere. When a truck meets a train, there is only one outcome. A vehicle is stuck, but the driver reacts quickly. He jumps out and runs to safety just seconds before the train crashes into the empty car. The driver survives, but the vehicle is completely destroyed, a reminder of how close disaster can be. The engine suddenly dies, leaving the vehicle stranded on the tracks. The driver desperately tries to restart it, but nothing works. The train fills the frame, unstoppable. The crash is loud and violent. The train keeps moving, leaving only scrap metal behind. The vehicle sits motionless on the tracks. Then the train appears at full speed. There's no escape. The impact is instant and brutal, turning the car into debris as the train disappears down the line. Ignoring the warnings at an unprotected crossing, the driver tries to beat the train. The timing is wrong. The high-speed train slams into the car, sending it flying. The gamble fails, leaving destruction behind. Metal screams as the vehicle is torn apart in seconds. Debris scatters across the tracks while the train powers through without slowing. Railways offer no mercy. When a vehicle stalls, every second counts. Get out immediately. Even inside city limits, railway rules never change. One small mistake leaves a vehicle stranded. The train crashes into it with explosive force, turning a quiet area into chaos in seconds. Sirens and dust fill the air as a quiet street turns into chaos. City limits don't weaken a train's power. Everywhere the rule is the same. The truck moves too slowly, leaving its long trailer exposed on the tracks. The train arrives like a force of nature, ripping through the trailer. The damage is instant and severe. The vehicle climbs onto the rails and becomes stuck. With the train approaching fast, there's no way out. The locomotive hits hard, destroying the car in seconds and pushing through the wreckage. The driver ignores the signs and risks crossing. The train arrives exactly as scheduled. One violent crash later, the vehicle is gone. Never challenge a train's path. The freight train blasts its horn one last time. The truck is trapped. The impact is earth-shaking, shredding the trailer into pieces. The train hits and keeps moving. From the front of the locomotive, the track is clear until it isn't. Truck after truck ignores the warnings. Logs scatter, trailers collapse, and vehicles are destroyed. The train cannot stop. It moves forward through the chaos, proving one final truth: trains always win. The massive cargo truck was trapped. The crossing gates sealed its fate. The train conductor saw the danger and blasted the horn, desperately trying to signal the inevitable. But the train's inertia is relentless. Thousands of tons cannot stop in time. The locomotive strikes the cargo with a colossal, grinding impact, ripping the trailer to pieces. It's a tragic testament to the raw power of the rails. Steel bends like paper as the collision destroys the truck almost instantly. The train barely slows, proving that once it's moving, there's no second chance. Warning signals exist for a reason. Ignore them, and a crossing becomes a disaster. This incident is a painful reminder for all of us. 2 trains were stopped due to a technical issue, and people began crossing the tracks to switch trains. But suddenly, a Shatabdi superfast express came rushing through at full speed. In an instant, one man, Mohammed Shahbaz, lost his life, and 2 others were seriously injured. Just a few seconds of hurry cost a precious life. Safety rules exist because lives were lost before, and hard lessons were learned the painful way. Ignoring warnings, shortcuts, or basic precautions risks becoming the next heartbreaking headline that others will learn from.